everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Serifera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 33, and the name is Top Sports Game. Now here in this chapter you have to complete the following with the help of the help desk. The first game that they have given is hockey. You have to mention certain details about this game. So let's begin with the exercise. Let's begin with the first sport, and the first sport given in this book is hockey. And in this they are asking the first one, length and the width of the field. So what is the length and the width of the field? The answer is 91.4 meter multiplied 55 meters. That means length is 91.4 whereas the width is 55 meters. What is the weight of the ball? The weight of the ball is 156 grams to 163 grams. Then next is cricket. Here the length of the pitch is asked and the answer for this question is 22 yards. Then the weight of the ball is just similar to the weight of this hockey ball, that is 156 grams to 163 grams. Then next we have the football, and the length and the width is 109.8 meters multiplied by 48.8 meters. Next we have the weight of the ball. The weight of the ball of a football is 410 grams to 450 grams. Then next is the volleyball, and here the length of the court is 18 meters and the weight of the ball is 260 to 280 grams. Let's now move further. Then we have the your answer please for you children, and the question is, which are the most common sports that you like to play? You have to mention the name of the sports which you like to play. The next is, we have the quick fact, and the quick fact says athletics refers to sports event. What are athletics? They refer to the sports events that test the athletics endurance, strength and the speed. So this is what athletics means. This is all about the chapter. I hope you must have understood the chapter. Do write all the information given about the various sports very neatly and correctly. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.